Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys display and brightness setting in our oppo phone guys. I will show you guys how can you use guys to display and brightness setting. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how can we turn on adaptive brightness mode. Guys you want to on guys your adaptive brightness, so you can on in your oppo phone. And guys now let's see how to turn on adaptive brightness in our oppo phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all, guys, we will on our phone setting and we will scroll it. Friends, you can see guys display and brightness setting. Friends, tap you. Friends, you can see auto brightness means guys adaptive brightness guys you can see. So you want to on guys you can on from this right side. After on guys your brightness will decrease and increase automatic. So when you will go outside, when you will come inside guys your brightness will decrease and increase automatic in your oppo phone guys. Then guys you don't need to increase and decrease your brightness. Guys your environment guys your skin color guys your brightness will increase and decrease automatic in your oppo phone. So like that guys you can on your adaptive brightness in your oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.